HeavyJob by HCSS. 12 things you need to know before buying. If you're considering HeavyJob by HCSS for your construction management needs, you're probably wondering whether it's the right tool for your business. In this video, we'll go through 12 key things you need to know before making a decision, helping you decide if this is the best option or if a competitor might be a better fit. First off, HeavyJob is a robust construction management software designed to help you streamline job site operations, from tracking labor to managing equipment and project costs. Compared to other construction management tools like Procore or Buildertrend, HeavyJob is specifically geared towards field-level project management, making it an excellent choice for teams on the ground. The first thing you should know is that HeavyJob offers real-time access to project data. This means you can track progress on a project from anywhere, and it's updated as soon as a field team enters data. In comparison, some other tools only offer updates after delays or manual reporting from project managers. This real-time feature can be a major advantage for keeping everything on track. Next thing, HeavyJob is highly mobile-friendly. Its mobile app allows field workers to log time, track equipment, and capture project details in the moment. While other construction tools like Procore are also mobile responsive, HeavyJob shines in ease of use and speed of data entry, which can save significant time on the job. The third thing to know is its detailed cost tracking capabilities. You can monitor labor, equipment, and material costs on the fly, ensuring your projects stay within budget. Many competitors lack this level of specificity, which makes HeavyJob a stronger contender if you're looking for a more granular level of control. Next, HeavyJob's integration with other HCSS tools is seamless. This allows for easy data sharing between different software products, which is great if you're already using other solutions in the HCSS ecosystem. However, if you're not already on their platform, you might face some difficulty when trying to integrate with third-party software like QuickBooks, which some other platforms do better out of the box. The fifth thing you should know is that HeavyJob is focused on simplifying the daily work of field teams. It's designed with an intuitive interface that doesn't require specialized training, which can be a major time saver. In contrast, competitors like Procore might have a steeper learning curve for new users. Now, the sixth thing is that HeavyJob includes time card management. Your teams can log hours directly through the app, saving you from the hassle of paper time cards. Compared to competitors like Buildertrend, this feature is more straightforward, reducing the potential for errors or administrative overload. Next, let's talk about reporting. HeavyJob gives you the ability to generate customizable reports for labor, costs, and project progress. While this is useful, other tools like Procore offer even more complex and diverse reporting options, which might be a better fit for larger teams that need highly detailed data. The eighth thing to consider is HeavyJob's pricing structure. While it's affordable for small to mid-sized businesses, it may not be as cost-effective for larger firms that need more advanced features. For larger businesses, tools like Procore may offer better scalability, though at a higher cost. Next, HeavyJob is very focused on construction field management, making it excellent for smaller specialized teams. If your company is highly project-specific, this could be a huge advantage. However, for companies that handle a diverse array of project types or require advanced project management features, you might find it limiting compared to some of its competitors. The 10th thing to note is its customer support. HCSS is known for having excellent customer service, and HeavyJob is no different. If you run into issues, their support team is accessible and knowledgeable. This is a significant advantage over other tools that might have longer wait times or more impersonal service. Next, HeavyJob's focus is on job site management, which means it doesn't offer as many back-office features like accounting or full project lifecycle management. If you need a comprehensive solution that handles everything from design to post-project management, platforms like Buildertrend might suit you better. The 12th thing is that HeavyJob's reporting and dashboard features are very visual and user-friendly. You can see all your key data points at a glance, which is great for making quick decisions. However, this might be limiting if you require more customizable, complex reports, which competitors like Procore can provide.